Good morning.
Hello, welcome back.
Welcome back. It's a bit of a better morning this morning. The wind's it's not so high. So we're just gonna head off into Atherstone today. That's 2 miles away. Apparently there's a farmer's market.
Farmers market on in the morning.
Yeah. So we're gonna
We might get there in time or might not.
have a little walk around there
Yeah,
and then walk back again.
yeah. We've
A good round trip. Be shouting at the dogs.
I think there's a few dogs having a problem on site.
Yeah,
We had another nice night last night, didn't we?
we did. Yeah.
We sat with the Swift Motorhome Owners Club group again, and wow, if any of you are watching this, you know who you are. You're absolutely nuts, some of you. We just had such a laugh, didn't we?
We did.
Really good fun, really good people. And we sat with them, a few of them, in the pub yesterday afternoon, didn't we?
We did.
And had a really good laugh.
Yeah.
And there's no meet up with them planned for today. But a lot of them did say, oh, we'll meet in the pub later on today. So we'll see. And tomorrow we've got a 10 o'clock coffee morning with them all. And I think they're doing a little bit of a, I don't know, it's like we've all been given raffle tickets for some reason. So there must be something else going on.
Yeah.
And then at 1 o'clock, I think there's about 17 of us all going to the pub for lunch. So that should be good fun. Because there's other people involved, we've not done much filming of that, because obviously, as you know, some people don't like to be on film. So we don't want to upset anybody. So, but we'll do some filming on our walk today and let you see what Atherstone looks like.
Yeah. So let's get our horses in gear and get going.
Let's go. Go on then, let's go.
We'll see you on the road.
We're on our walk to Atherstone, and we're just passing through this little village, I assume so, called Ratcliffe Cooley. And just ahead of it is this building. Looks a little in disrepair. Doesn't it? It's quite...
Here's a new roof.
Hey you, I know this is the right way. You move me in the right way, and I'll be running to you. Hey you, I think we're in the right place. Keep thinking of the things you said. Now my wishes turned out to be true. Oh, tonight, I've got your hand in mine, and I won't let you go this time. And I just wanna keep this night forever alive. Hey you, you're moving me the right way. Am I dreaming this? It's so unreal. There you are, never thought this could be.
Yeah, caravan park. That's a nice one, isn't it?
Hey you, the stars have fallen into place. You make my heart go insane. Now I'm running home to you. Oh, tonight,
Just because the grounds,
Oh,
those sort of things.
yeah.
Yeah.
British pie of the year. Thank you, British pie of the year. Wild beaver and penguin pie. Blue wild beaver and penguin pie. These on. These on. We do now. Samosas running up. Samosas. You love them. That's something you think about. A little while. On wild.
Because breads,
Yeah.
chia panta, breads, sausages and cookies, raspberry greased beef. I love those farmers markets, they're really good. Sorry for any vegetarians watching. This is the concert.
What? Gone. What are they supposed to be?
Concerts.
What do they do?
I like that. Because all cows, I just hear them all.
Tonight, I've got your hand in mine, and I won't let you go this time. And I just wanna keep this night forever alive.
Atherstone is a market town in North Warwickshire, which dates from Anglo-Saxon times. Situated on Watling Street, it lies a mile west of the 1st century Roman fort at Manchester, and close to a west-east packhorse route which linked Bristol and Lincoln. At the Norman conquest, the land at Atherstone formed part of the estates of the Countess of Mercia, Lady Godiva, but was given by William the Conqueror to his nephew, Hugh, the Earl of Chester.
Atherstone was a settlement in the Domesday Book. It had a recorded population of 14 households in 1086. It was the land of Countess Godiva, and it's recorded there were 11 villagers, 2 smallholders and 1 slave. The annual value to the lord at that time in 1086 was £3, and in 1066 it was £2. Today Atherstone is a thriving little town which holds the Atherstone market twice a week, and you can visit St Mary's Church, which dates back from the earlier 12th century.
I've just popped into a little cafe and I'm having jacket potato with prawn Mary Rose and then a full fried breakfast. It looks very nice. This is us now on our walk back to the campsite. Had a lovely walk through Atherstone. It's a really, really nice little town, and had a nice bit of lunch. Enjoyed the farmers market, bought a few goodies that we'll show you when we get back. And we're doing a 2 mile back. And it's quite hot, the sun's shining, so it's quite warm now. So that's us done 1.5 miles, a bit to go. And I was trying to go and see the sheep, they're too far away. Never mind, let's hit the road. Those are big foxgloves. Really pretty. It's pretty little bit cottages. Absolutely gorgeous. It's a shame they're right on the road because there's quite a lot of cars coming along, but it's beautiful. And there's the gate, which I think Stephen's heading for as he calls it, a refreshment. But I have to say I could do with one. Little phone box. I tried it yesterday, but I don't know if I could get anything. I'm not sure whether you can see there's a land girl in there. I'm not sure whether you can see it. So we've just come out of the pub. We've just had one drink each. We were absolutely roasting after that walk. So we're now just walking down to the campsite again. And I've got crop jeans on, and I cannot wait to get something lighter on because I'm so warm. We can't complain, can we? Because the weather's not been great, let's face it. That's the name of the little village that the pub's in, and the church that we visited yesterday, All Saints, 1320 AD. Wow. Such a lovely, peaceful place. Fields all around. So this is just coming into Lime Tree Caravan Park. As I say, it's got toilets, showers, laundry room, and it's as peaceful as anything. So if you're wanting somewhere away from it all, it's certainly recommended. And the people we've met on the Swift Motorhome Owners Club has been absolutely fantastic. We have had a lot of fun with them. So it's coming back into sight. And I'm going to take a little bit of a shortcut. Look. It's busy now, isn't it? It's more or less full now. So there's not much to the site. Basically, what we've just shown you in that circle is the site. It's really nice. Right? Yeah, you? Yeah. I'm not complaining. There we are, back at the van. Good morning.
Good morning.
As you can see, we've just left the campsite, Lime Tree Caravan Park, and we've had a really lovely time. We had we've met some fantastic people. We were on the Swift Motorhome Owners group and another rally, and it's for newcomers, it's for people that haven't been on one before, and we met some fantastic people, didn't we?
We did.
Such good fun, such laughs. Really enjoyed it, and we've all swapped. Well, we've all put ourselves onto WhatsApp group with the hope that we can share places we've been, and there's a possibility we may all meet up again, which would be absolutely fantastic. Yeah, some of the people you've felt as if we've known them for ages, which was lovely. So we are now back on the road. We've got about a 2.5 hour drive, and we're heading for Cheddar, which some of you may already
In
know.
half a mile, keep left to Pitwell Lane.
Some of you may already know it's a beautiful place. We're really looking forward to that, and we're happy to bring you with us.
Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand?